Getting started with your telescope can be a daunting task, but don't let that deter you. Once you get the hang of how to use your telescope, you'll be fascinated by the objects you see in the sky. To start, loosen both your altitude and azimuth knobs so the telescope is completely free to move around. Use your finder scope to locate your target and then center it in your view. Place the highest focal length eyepiece into the focuser and then tighten the thumbscrew. Look through your main telescope and turn your focus knob until the target is crisp. To keep these moving targets in view, use your fine motion controls. To get better at locating objects, practice during the day. Visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. As always, your feedback is important to us. Until next time, see you later.